Te Awamutu, 1983. Many students were dropping out or being expelled. For those not in mainstream education, Rongo Wetere and others hungered for an alternative. With great courage, they led the efforts to build O Tāwhao Marae, a place to teach, a place to lift, and a place to inspire. Built to serve, it strengthened our whakapapa and invigorated our values. From this newfound energy, a genesis emerged. Welcome to the birthplace of Te Wānanga o Aotearoa.
It's the second largest educational institution in the country. We have 120 delivery sites throughout Aotearoa. We have almost 1,600 kaimahi working for this organisation. But most importantly, we have a special relationship with 32,000 tauira and their whānau each and every year.
Here, our teachers share more than just facts. They share our values. Te aroha, te whakapono, ngā ture, and kotahitanga. Our classes are delicately woven and elegantly crafted with one goal, one purpose, one mission. Together, we can achieve tauira success. We've already transformed the lives of thousands. If we improve the world of others, we improve our world for everyone. Whānau transformation through education. Welcome to Te Wānanga o Aotearoa.